Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss download rainfall data hourly, daily, monthly, yearly and data processing and map creation. How to create rainfall map. So it is very important. So please listen carefully video in end and please like, share and subscribe my video and hit bell icon for new video. So let we start. First we go to Google and we write here CHRS data, CHRS data. Here is our website CHRS data portal. We click here, we open it. Here is detail and here is 5 type description. So we select here persons CSS and we go to downside. Here is data set. We select here persistence CCS and we select here time step. We select here daily. If you want to hourly, you select here hourly, 3 hourly, 6 hourly, daily, monthly, yearly as per your requirement. We select here and domain. We select here domain. If you want to whole country, you select here country as per your requirement. And if you want to particular location, so you select here. If you want to particular area, so you select here political division as per your requirement and go to particular location. After political division, we go to download and we select date time 2015 and 2020 and format we select here TIFF and compression we select here zip and download and we write here email and download. We click here, our file downloaded and we go to download folder. We copy it and we paste it as per our requirement folder. Rainfall data, we paste it and we right click, extract here. Here is our 5-year data and we copy path and open ArcMap. We add data, we paste it path and here is our save file. We select here save file, our area save file. Here is Haryana. We hollow it and we select here image 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 5-year and we add it and we check our projection. We right click and go to property and source XY coordinate system is unknown. So we give a projection. We go to R catalog. We go to data management, projection and transformation and we go to define projection and we select here 2015 15 image, and projection we give word projection. Select here WGS 9084, OK and OK. We check our projection. See here, projection is complete. Same as next unknown projection, we give projection, define projection, and select here 16 and WGS 9084, OK, and 17 known, we define, we select here 17 projection WGS 9084, OK and OK. Same as 18, we complete projection. We see last one, our projection is completed. Close it. And if you want to color ramp change, you click here and you select as per your requirement and OK. If you want to change, you change it. After it, we go to R catalog, special analysis tool, we go to map algebra, we click here raster calculator, and here is our image, and we bracket and we click here image 2015 plus 2016 plus 2017 plus 2018 plus 2019 plus 2020 and bracket close and divided by 5. We have 5 here and divide, so we divided in 5, and output location and name 5-year rainfall data. Save it and OK. Here is our output, and we write here 5-year data, to 2015 to 2020, and we change ramp color as per your requirement. And OK. Here is our rainfall data, and if you want to prepare a map, you go to layout view and right click, set page setup and landscape as per your requirement, size A3 and OK, and you prepare a map, zoom in, zoom out, and insert text, and we write here Haryana rainfall data 2025 to 2020, 50 and OK. We adjust it, and if you want to symbology, you insert, go to legend and select here 5-year data, and we remove it, and next we select here border, background, and if you want to shadow, next and finish. And here is your legend, high to low, and insert north arrow, here is north arrow. If you want to insert scale, go to insert scale bar, you select here scale, here is scale, we adjust it, and if you want to change property, you right click, go to property, and unit, if you want to unit change, you select here unit, we select here kilometer, and we write in short km, apply. And if you want to format, change color, red, bar color blue, apply and OK. Here is our map. If you want to export it, you go to map export, we select here particular location, and we write here Haryana rainfall data map, save. Our map is complete. So please like, share and subscribe and hit bell icon for new video. Thank you.